Dear participants of Colin's Conference 2022, let us present the topic of our paper, which is Digitally Lexicographized Neologisms of Douglas Coupland's novel Generation X, Software for Bilingual Electronic Dictionary. And the presenters are Nataliia, Hrytsiv, Bekhta, Bohdana, Buta, Mariya, Tkachivska, and Vasyl, Byalyk. The paper encompasses the algorithm of bilingual dictionary compiling, the original and translation of Douglas Coupland's work by analyzed in relation to neologisms extraction. 90 items from the original novel were selected and contrasted with their translated versions. Next, the definitions and context within the sentences were singled out. Then, the software for the dictionary was created. Afterwards, the dictionary was filled up in accordance with the prior accentuated fields. All mentioned embraces the novelty of the paper, since it has not been performed before in terms of bilinguality. It is worth mentioning, however, that there are a number of digitally created dictionaries of Douglas Coupland's neologisms. However, they are limited to English language mostly. Thus, the result of the paper may potentially lay the foundation for other elaborations of multilingual electronic dictionaries of different authors, especially those accentuating a specific lexical register. Thus, point number 1 is glossary collection. We have first collected all the neologisms available from the original novel. Next, we clarified their equivalence in the Ukrainian translation. Later on, we worked out the definitions to all of the items found. For the comfort of our use, the list is organized alphabetically. Thus, here we have a sample of pre-preparation stage of our philosophy of neologisms. And here we have the word itself, then the abbreviation if that is available, then translation and explanation. This dictionary compiling stage. To open a dictionary program, we use Notepad++ interpreter, download the file with code and press run. Below is the dictionary coding sample. The language of coding is Python. Each dictionary element consists of two objects, a key and a meaning. In our case, the key is neologism, the meaning is the Ukrainian equivalent and explanation. For example, enter the neologism family in the search term and press find, and we will have this kind of the result. The key identifies the dictionary element. The meaning resembles the data that corresponds to the key data. That is the translation and definition of the word our family is displayed. It should be noted that the meanings of the keys are unique. There can be no two identical keys in the dictionary. We can check this in another example. Enter another neologism, me-ism, in the search term and click find. As a result, we get the unique meaning of the word me-ism. To conclude, the writer finds sources for enriching the story's vocabulary within the language system through word formatting and semantic emergence of new lexemes and migration of vocabulary and phraseology from slang and professional jargon to stories vocabulary. This specific register causes difficulties in translation. High-level data structures together with dynamic semantics and dynamic linking make Python attractive for rapid software development as well as a means of combining existing components. Therefore, we have chosen it for a dictionary software. Next steps will be taken for multilingual development of this specific dictionary. Thank you so much for your attention. Questions are very much